Hello, my name is Henrique and I will be your instructor for this respiratory protection program. A warm welcome to everybody. This course is fundamental not only to ensure compliance with regulations, but most importantly, to protect your health and that of your colleagues. Before we begin with our contents, let's go over an essential safety guideline applicable to any environment. Always know your escape routes. In an emergency, knowing the path of the exits, which are marked by signs like the ones we see here, in this first step to ensure everybody's safety. For completion and certification of this course, which has a duration of 2 hours, is necessary to attend the full duration and achieve a minimum approval of 60% of the tests. The main objective is for you to absorb the content and apply it in your daily work. Our training will focus on several critical safety points. There are risk analysis, the correct selection of a respirator for each task, the correct placement of the equipment, understanding its limitations and service life, and performing the fit test. Our final objective is to qualify you for the tasks required by the standards, promoting an exchange of information and experience that leads us to continuous improvement, changing not only the behavior but also the attitude of everyone regarding respiratory protection. Let's begin our technical content by talking about a key concept: behavior safety. This is a methodology that focuses on human behavior as a critical factor in preventing accidents. It's based in the principle that most accidents occur due to errors and inappropriate behavior. It seeks to modify these behaviors to create a safer work environment. The process of behavior safety involves several clear steps. First, the identification on unsafe behaviors, which is done through observation and task analysis. Second, the analysis of cause, where seek to understand why these behaviors occur. Third, intervention, which is the development of strategies such as training and feedback to promote safe behaviors. And finally, continuous monitoring and evolution to adjust the strategies. The benefits are numerous: reduction in an accidents, improved health and well-being, increased productivity, and most importantly, the creation of a stronger safety culture. This is achieved through a practical actions such as training on the correct use of PPE, safety dialogues, behavioral observation with constructive feedbacks, and recognition programs to encourage good practices. Closely linked to behavioral safety is the concept of human error. Human error are failures or mistakes we make during the execution of tasks, resulting in deviations for procedures or expected outcomes. They can have varied consequences from minor inconveniences to serious accidents. We can classify errors into a few main types: lapses, which are memory failures when we forget to do something we planned; slips, which is when we perform an action incorrectly, like pushing the wrong button, for example; mistakes of judgment, when we make a wrong decision due to a lack of an information or a misinterpretation; and violations, which are deliberate deviations from the rules, often because we think it's faster or because we don't understand the importance of the procedure. The causes of these errors are diverse: lack of attention, lack of adequate training, tiredness and fatigue, pressure and stress, and even poor design of the tools or process, which can induce error. The good news is that we can prevent and reduce these errors. How? Through adequate training, create more intuitive systems and processes, ensuring safe work environments, promoting clear and effective communication, and using support tools such as checklists.